Hello viewers, an update about the PETTER W1H. I just put back this backplate on the engine. I used some super RTV silicone at the back. A lot of these engines cause a leak from here, from between the plate and the engine casting, and most of the owners think that this gasket is leaking, but actually it will be from the inside. It's super tidy as always. I have some parts with the primer paint. The cylinder has been cleaned from the water jacket, blasted. Now it will needs head cylinder head gasket scraping. We'll grind the valves in, or lap them rather, and hone it as well. Also, I've made this core plug for here. This one seems to be good. It's made from brass. And these are other bits from the engine. New oil seal, carburetor cleaned. Also here I have the piston, connecting rod, camshaft and crank. Recently Diesel Johnny Boy on YouTube had a concern about the nuts. He thought they should be at the bottom, but we sorted that out. It's been a long time since I gave you an update on this, but life is always busy. I try to keep you updated with videos from time to time, but that's not always possible to do a video every week. Thanks for watching.